Hey there, English learners! Today I've got some easy English sentences all about pizza. I'll say each sentence slowly, and you'll see the highlighted word on the screen. Ready? Let's dive in. I love eating pizza. I love eating pizza. Remember to stress love in pizza. Pizza is my favorite food. Pizza is my favorite food. Notice how favorite makes the sentence sound more personal. I like pepperoni on my pizza. I like pepperoni on my pizza. Pepperoni is a fun word to practice. Cheese pizza is delicious. Cheese pizza is delicious. Delicious is a great word to describe tasty food. Can I have a slice of pizza? Can I have a slice of pizza? Slice is important when talking about portions. I ordered a large pizza. I ordered a large pizza. Ordered shows what you did. The pizza is in the oven. The pizza is in the oven. Oven is where the magic happens. This pizza is too hot. This pizza is too hot. Too hot tells us about the temperature. I want extra cheese on my pizza. I want extra cheese on my pizza. Extra cheese means more cheese. Let's share a pizza. Let's share a pizza. Share is important when you want to enjoy pizza with friends. Great job! Keep practicing these sentences, and soon you'll be a pizza pro in English. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more fun lessons. See you next time!